The paper solution for the Law UGC NET examination question and answer. Which of the following statement is incorrect? A. In Keshavanand Bharati case, the Supreme Court has said that the preamble to the Constitution is a key to open the mind of the maker. B. Solicit and secular word were added to the preamble by 44th Amendment of the Constitution. Preamble can only be amended if the violation the basic structure of the Constitution. Since preamble is not article, so it is not the part of the Constitution. The answer will be fourth. All are incorrect. So question 2, match the list 1 with list 2 and give the correct answer by using the codes given below the list. So the list 1 contain A. Article 329, B. 10th Schedule Part 7, C. Article 31, C. D. Article 13 Subclause 2. In list 2 contain Gopalnath vs State of Punjab, Keshavanand Bharati vs State of Kerala, Indira Nehru Gandhi vs Raj Nariyan. Fourth, Quixota vs Jachilhu. The answer for this will be first. So question number 3. If I was asked to name any particular article in the Constitution as the most important article without which the Constitution would be nullity, I could not refer to any other article except this one. Article 32. It is the soul of the Constitution and the very heart of it. Who observed there are? The answer for this will be Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question, question number 4. Which of the following statement are incorrect? A. Chapter 3 on Fundamental Rights of the Constitution. It based upon the Bill of Rights of the USA. B. Right to die is a fundamental right under Article 21 of the Constitution. C. Indian Constitution is a complete federal constitution. D. Fundamental right can be waived under the Indian Constitution. The answer for this will be 2. C and D only. The next question is question 5. List 1 with list 2 and give the correct answer by using the code given below the list. So the list 1 contain all the principle and list 2 contain the case law relating to it. So the first question, equal work for equal pay. The answer for this will be Unikrishna vs State of Andhra Pradesh. B. Agencies of instrumentality of the state are covered under the definition of state under Article 12 of Constitution. So the answer for this will be Radhir Singh vs Union of India. Fundamental rights and directive principle of state policy are supplementary and complementary to each other. So the answer for this will be R.D. Shetty vs International Airport Authority of India. D. Damage can be awarded for violation of the fundamental rights under Article 21 of the Constitution. Answer for this will be Rudal vs State of Bihar. Next, question number 6. Match the list 1 with list 2 and give the correct answer by using the code given below list. So the list 1 contain added amendment provision and list 2 contain amendments. Article 15 clause 4, provision for special provision for social and educational. So the answer for this will be Constitution 86th Amendment Act 2002. B. Article 13 Subclause 4 provision for nothing shall apply to any constitution amendment. The answer will be Constitutional First Amendment Act 1951. C. Article 16 Subclause 4A provision for consequently seniority with promotion for SC/ST. So the answer for this will be 25th Amendment Act 1971. D. Article 21A, provision for right to education as fundamental right. The answer will be Constitution 85th Amendment Act 2001. So the correct answer will be third. Next question is 7. Assertion, power and function are distributed between the two tiers of government under the written Constitution of India. Reason, union and state are completely independent of each other under the Constitution. The options are: first, A is correct, R is correct explanation of A. Second, A is correct but R is not the correct explanation of A. Third, A is correct, R is wrong. Fourth, A is wrong but R is correct. So the answer will be fourth, A is wrong but R is correct. Next, 8. Which of the following school in jurisprudence encompasses the functional approach? Philosophical school. Question number 9. A legal system which works to ensure a fair division of social benefit and burden among the members of the community. It serves to secure a balanced equilibrium among the members of the society. What is the name of the legal system? The answer will be distributive justice. Which of the following is not correct regarding the legislation and precedent? The answer for this will be fourth. Legislation are based on the minority opinion and precedent are created on basis for the future decision. So this was the